Good morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. So I have completed irony, apostrophe, repetition. Now I am going to start a new topic in figure of speech, that is climax. Climax is a figure of speech where ideas are arranged from less important to more important or weaker to stronger. The statement is arranged from ascending order to the descending order. We can say, if you want to understand in a simple way, means it will be arranged in from the ascending to the descending order. So let's see the example. He whispered, he spoke, he shouted. Can you see the statement? He whispered means he spoke with very low voice, and then he spoke in a normalized, and then he shouted. So how it has gone in the chronological order from the ascending to the descending order. So such statements we call as climax. Very simple to understand. Let's see the next example. I came, I saw, I conquered. So here he came, then he saw, and then he conquered. Next one, she learning, she practiced, she mastered English. She is learning, she practiced, she mastered the English. Can you see in each the sentences the statement is arranged in from less important to more important. It has gone from ascending order to the descending order. The statement will arrange in very less or weaker way to the stronger one. So I hope you get a idea about how the climax is used in the sentences. I hope, and you also make many examples at home to enhance your language. But guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.